Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the DoMiSol Sports wireless headphones. These are bone conducting. So you've seen bone conducting headphones before. They're actually quite expensive, but DoMiSol has a good deal on these bone conducting headphones. Here your controller, they're Bluetooth. Here's the plus minus for volume, on and off as well, in your microphone right there. These work pretty well. I've used these for several weeks, charged them up, used them all the way through. The battery lasts a long time. Those details will be in the description. It comes with a charging cable right here. It's a micro USB. I would have liked to seen a USB-C charging port, but they keep costs down by putting in the micro USB. There it is right there. Some information on the headphones right there. These are very easy to use. They're nice on the head, and they have pretty good quality. Not super great quality, but pretty good quality. And for the price, I would definitely buy these headphones. This is from a company called DoMiSol, and they have Ip56 Waterproofing. You can use them for calls, music, and gaming as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.